Alright, today we're going to do squirrel stuffing entirely in a pressure cooker. We're going to start with 6 squirrels. We're going to cut them up with our meat shears into chunks, and we're going to put them inside our pressure cooker. We're going to go ahead and add our peppers, onions, celery, and our broth here. You want to make sure you put enough broth to where it's completely covering each piece of squirrel. And then we're going to probably cook the squirrels for about at least 30 minutes in the pressure cooker. Depending on how old the squirrels are, you may want to cook them for a little longer. When you're done, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be totally tender. The meat is going to easily come off the bone. That's going to allow you to, right here, remove all the meat from all the bones very easily. It's going to be a big yield on that meat because you're going to be able to get all the meat off. And you'll have a lot of bones left over for some bake. You're going to take that meat, you're going to put it back into the pressure cooker. We're going to add an entire jar of mushrooms with the juice. Going to add some chopped garlic, minced garlic. One whole can of cream of mushroom soup. And we're going to add our seasoned breadcrumbs. This is something that I like. These are my homemade pickled eggs right here. I like to chop up a few of those and put them in there as well. We're going to add some jalapeno paste. Mix all that together. And then you're going to simmer it in switch your lids out and simmer it in the same pot. I would really suggest at this point taking it and putting it in the oven. You're going to get a lot better texture on it if you put it in a dish and put it in the oven. But if you want to do it all in the pressure cooker like we're doing today, you would just switch the lids on it and cook it for longer so that all the flavors get infused. And in the end here, you have a delicious, tender squirrel dish that can't be beaten. If you want to see the hunt for these squirrels, check out some of our other videos and some of our other recipes on squirrel.